Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new meme coin. From this coin you can earn very good profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. As you can see, the project was open. PyTia token is the name of this project, and it's a very unique project and give you a very big bonuses in future. So be the member of this project. This project was in development, but it's come soon and give you a very big profit. I will tell you about this project, how it's work, and how you can get profitable from this project. So must join it. The detail and link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So simply, first of all, you can see welcome to PyTia token, and the detail of this project was totally available in this website. As you can see, the meme coin that's here to space thing up and unite the crypto community. As you can see, the contract address was coming soon, as possible as soon. You can see the contract address and token detail in this website. It's a very simple and easy method of purchasing, I will tell you. But first of all, we can review the project, then I will tell you how you can purchase it, and the experience of this project. So simply you can see what is Pythia. The detail of this project was available. It's a Solana blockchain project and gives you a very good opportunity. And as you can see, why dragon fruit, because it's variant unique and stand out the fruit world just like we do in the blockchain. It's basis on fruit. So it's select dragon fruit, and it's a very unique thing in cryptocurrency and blockchain. So it's a new thing you can see in cryptocurrency. So it's give you a very big profit. One transaction at a time you can do, and many more things it's provide you. So must participate in it. Then you can see the story of Pitaya, and you can see the detail how it's create and how it's work, and each and everything was available. So must read and then participate in it. Then you can see purchasing method of this project, how to buy. Simply you have a wallet of Solana wallet, and simply connect it, and you have Solana in your wallet. Then you can simply purchase particular coin in your wallet, and it's a very simple and easy method. As you can see, these are simple three steps for purchasing this coin. So hopefully you will know how you can purchase it. You can also purchase from Radium. Simply paste the contract address which was coming soon, but you can simply go to Radium and connect your wallet, and simply you can purchase it from Solana. So it's a very easy method. Then you can see the tokenomics. 1 billion was total supply of this project. Total, you can see the community of this project, and these are the main detail of this project. Hopefully you will know the project detail, and you will get know about this meme coin. Now I will tell you how you can purchase. Simply click on buy option. As you can see, the contract address and coin was coming soon. As simply you can join the Telegram community to get information about this project. Simply I will share with you. As you can see, simply send a message on Telegram, and you can get every information about the project and many more benefits you can see. So must join the Telegram community and get more information about this project. Then I will share with you the Twitter account of this project. As you can see, simply follow it and get latest announcements and detail about this project. As you can see, first giveaway was start. You can simply like, retweet the post, tag two friend, and simply follow the Twitter account. You can participate in this giveaway. As you can see, giveaway $100 to one lucky exhaustic, and it's a very good opportunity for you. And many more events was coming in this project. So be the member of this project and get more benefit from this meme coin. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project. If you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and must participate in this project. So hope we will be meet in next video.